Okay, let's talk sunscreen, the ultimate spa essential you need every single day. Seriously, if you're not using sunscreen, you're missing out on the most important step for glowing, healthy skin. Think of it like your skin's invisible shield, blocking those harmful UV rays. And honestly, it's the cheapest anti-aging treatment you'll ever find. Now, not all sunscreens are created equal, especially when it comes to your skin type. Got dry skin? Cream-based sunscreens are your new best friend. They're packed with moisturizing ingredients, so you get protection and hydration, like a mini spa session every time you apply. Look for ones with hyaluronic acid or ceramides to really lock in that moisture. But if you're rocking oily or acne-prone skin, gel-based sunscreens are where it's at. These feel super lightweight, absorb fast, and won't leave you looking like a glazed donut. Bonus points if you find one labeled non-comedogenic. That means it won't clog your pores. As for application, here's the secret. Use about 2 fingers worth for your face and neck. Don't forget your ears and the back of your neck, and reapply every 2 hours if you're out and about. Yes, even on cloudy days. Remember, sunscreen isn't just for the beach. Make it your daily ritual. Treat your skin like you'd treat it at the spa, with attention, care, and lots of love. Trust me, future you will thank you for it. So, which sunscreen are you grabbing next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful.